Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this fall/autumn lookbook. It's just some quick autumn outfits. Yeah, so let's just get straight into the video. The blouse is from Boohoo, the skirt is from Miss Selfridge, and the shoes are from F&F. I absolutely love this blouse. It's such a fall blouse. It has a nice, I don't know if it's paisley or whatever you call the pattern. I can't quite remember, but I just absolutely love this blouse. It's so it's such the oranges in the blouse are very fall leaf inspired. So yeah, I absolutely love this blouse. And the jacket is from I believe it's from Primark. This is another, I absolutely love these shearling type jackets. They're just really perfect for winter slash autumn, and I just love this outfit. It just screams autumn to me. The dress is from New Look. I absolutely love this. It's like an embroidered is it shift or t-shirt dress. The boots are the same F&F boots as before, and the trench coat I show later in the video is from Miss Selfridge. I absolutely love this outfit. I just think it's a very simple and easy outfit to recreate. It's just basically a t-shirt dress and tights and boots. But I absolutely love these. They're perfect for days when you don't want a really tight dress and you want to dress up a bit more, but you want something comfortable. So yeah, I just absolutely love this dress. I don't know, there's just something about this outfit I love. So this is just a nice autumn outfit. It's good for when it's a bit warmer. I mean, you can obviously make it warmer with a thicker coat and longer boots. It would look really nice with over the knee boots as well. So this is maybe a good dress if you want to be a bit more dressed up and you're going out somewhere. The jacket is from Zara. The dress is a vintage top shop dress which I thrifted, and the boots are from F&F. And my cat wanted to say hello. That's she's called Ruby, and she just wanted to say a quick hi. And anyway, look how adorable she is. She's my baby, so she wanted to say a quick hello. So yeah, I absolutely love this outfit. I just think it screams autumn. The mustard coloured jacket, like I said, is from Zara, and it's my favourite autumn jacket. Oh, and the belt is from Ted Baker. Yeah, so I just absolutely love this outfit. It screams fall/autumn, and yeah, it's just a really simple outfit to recreate. Just a simple floral dress in autumnal colours, and yeah, same about the jacket. That jacket colour just screams autumn. The tweed dress is from New Look, I believe, and the boots are from F&F. The camel long coat is from Zara. Absolutely love camel coats for the autumn. I think they just look so autumnal and they just scream fall. So yeah, this dress I absolutely love because it sort of gives like the Chanel, with the dresses. I think with the buttons on it reminds me of the tweed Chanel jackets. You might disagree, but I think this is a really fun autumn look, and dresses are very simple and easy because you don't have to jeans. You don't have to match them like you would jeans and a top. Hi guys, thank you for watching my autumn lookbook.